In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord black screen mobile. Firstly, if you get in a selection like this one, you need to go on your settings on your phone, then scroll down and go for applications. After you get done with that selection, on the search box without wasting any time, you need to type for Discord. And then when you get right here, you need to scroll down and go on the third selection, which is storage. Right after you get into that fiction, go clear cake on the first site selection. Then you need to clear the data on the full site and get that databases and all that stuffs which in your refreshing system. Right after you're done with these sites, you need to get off from here and you need to go on your Google Play Store, and then you need to go for Discord. And right here, guys, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. As you can see, on Discord, as you can see in this case, I have the latest version of Discord because I don't have any option which is right here on its side, which is called update. As you can see, I have open, which means I have the latest features and the latest version of Discord. After you get done with that selection, you can simply tap and hold on the ending button session which is on your phone, and then you can restart your phone selection.